What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Bitcoin Brand here, and I wanted to introduce to you guys one of the new exchanges that's getting a lot of hype and things like that. So I know some of you guys are not able to or don't understand how to use Binance. So I want to give you a quick little 5 to 10 minute tutorial on how to actually use Binance here. So of course the first thing you have to do is create your accounts. I'll have a link in the description. Go ahead and click on that, get your account set up. And the very first thing once your account is set up, I recommend is to create your two-factor authenticator, because for one, it's added security, and two, if you do not have that created, you would not be able to withdraw any funds out of Binance until you have that created. So make sure you do that. Now, there's another thing that I've noticed as well. I don't know if this is just happening to me or if it's happening to anyone else, but when I use Google Chrome for Binance, it takes me to like the mobile version on my PC. So I thought that was odd. So I'm actually using Edge right now to go ahead and make this video. So once you got your account created, you have to fund your account. So with Binance, you cannot take your US dollar or your euro or any actual currency and fund it directly into Binance. You have to use an exchange such as Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, Bitstamp, those type of exchanges where you can actually take your money, buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum or buy Litecoin, and then once you have the cryptocurrency, you can deposit that cryptocurrency into Binance. So that's where a lot of confusion is coming in at, because people are saying, well, how do I even put any money in here? So that's how you do that. All right. And I also have a link in the description for Coinbase as well. So if you do not have a Coinbase account, go ahead and click on that and create your Coinbase account. If you buy at least $100 worth of crypto, you'll automatically receive $10 back. So that's how Coinbase works. So let's go ahead and get this started real quick. I probably won't be able to buy any crypto right now, but I am going to show you how to deposit money into Binance right now. So first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and go over to BitConnect, because I actually have a couple dollars over here. Let me make sure I'm still logged in. I am, and I just made three more bucks. So if you do not have a BitConnect account, get that created too. I have a link in the description for that as well. So BitConnect is amazing. Just really quick, I have $4,040 invested. So I'm making roughly, this fluctuates. I make anywhere between $40 to $100 on average. It's been more than that on some days, and this is also 7 days a week. So BitConnect is out here paying mortgages just off of a little bit invested. So get your accounts created. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and deposit some money over to my Binance account. Alright, so what I have to do in BitConnect is click on the wallet section and then come down here to where it says receive BTC. I'm going to scroll down to send BTC, and I need my Binance address. So let's go ahead and go back to Binance. We're going to go ahead and click on funds, deposits, withdrawals. And right here is where you will actually grab your cryptocurrency address. So whatever address of crypto that you have that you want to send over here, this is where you send and withdraw that money out of. So right here is Bitcoin. I'm going to click on deposit, and I'm going to copy this address because that's what I need. I'm going to come over here, going to paste that address, and then I currently have 0.00586 236 Satoshi that I'm going to send over to Binance. So let me delete that out. Do that. Now, if you guys do not have two-factor authentication activated, I strongly recommend that you get that stuff activated. I also have an extra layer of security whenever I want to withdraw any money out of BitConnect. So I recommend, if you want to have that extra security, to do that as well. So this is my extra security here. It says that it's asking for my code 4, and this right here is a printout of my different codes that I have. So I'm going to pause the video real quick and enter in this code, because this is my extra layer of security that I don't want you guys to see. So one moment here. Alright, back here. Now, as you can see, it's asking me to confirm from BTC wallet to my Binance wallet. Now let me go ahead and make sure that my two-factor. Oh, okay. Well, let's go ahead and send it. And boom, successfully sent. So now I will receive this 0.00546236 Satoshi over to my Binance account. And from what, here it is right here. Whenever you're depositing any type of cash, cryptocurrency into Binance, it takes only about 2 network confirmations before it appears here. So if you're using Coinbase, Coinbase is extremely busy right now due to the amount of new registers. So you just got to be patient with Coinbase. There's nothing wrong with Coinbase. They're just extremely overwhelmed, because that is the #1 exchange to buy the top 3 currencies, the top 3 cryptocurrencies, which are, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So no reason to complain or put in any type of trouble tickets. Just be patient, and they'll get you taken care of. So let me see here. I'm checking all of my information, see if I got any type of emails or anything on it. And doesn't look like I got anything, so I'm good there. Yeah, I'm all good to go there. Go ahead and do a refresh. No, got nothing yet. So now I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I just wanted to show you guys a quick description of Binance and how this works. And also, just real quick, IOTA is being sold on Binance as well. So if you want to buy any IOTA, or if you want to sell your IOTA, you can send it here. Here it is right here. IOTA, MIOTA. And let me just give you a quick look at how the exchange looks. Alright, so you're currently looking at Litecoin, LTC. And the reason why you're looking at Litecoin is because they surged up over 150% over the past 2 days. So I took advantage of that. I bought some Litecoin low, and then I sold it high. So I might be doing that again here real soon. But this right here is just your screen on how the charts look. Then you have your buy and sell orders right here on the left hand side. So that's how that works. So I will be showing you guys more of Binance, and once my Bitcoin shows up, then I'll make a purchase, live, so that you guys can see how that works as well. Alright, so other than that, like, subscribe, share my videos. Also turn on post notifications, because I've noticed that some of you guys are letting me know that you're not receiving my new videos as soon as I upload them. So turn on post notifications for that. Alright, so other than that, hashtag fire your boss. Bitcoin brand is out. Peace.